Hello everyone. Welcome to ICGUY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print out different things in C++. In many cases you want to print out something like your name or any other data. In such cases you need to use cout statement. Cout means console out. By using cout statement you are telling the C++ to print out something. After cout, you are going to add two less signs like this. Don't worry about these less signs, I'm going to explain its meaning later on this video. After that, you add two double quotations. Anything between these two quotations is going to get printed. This time I'm going to print "Hello world" plus a semicolon because every command in C++ is going to be finished by semicolon. Now we run our project. Let's make a small story, so I copy the command 3 times. I'm going to write about myself. Now, we run the project. As you can see, the whole story is being printed in a single line. To avoid this problem, we add new lines by adding the end-l command. We add two less signs and an end-l. This means our line has ended, so we need to add another line. Now we run our project. As you can see, our story is got organized. This is how you use cout command. First, you write cout, then you add two less signs. After that you write your message between two double quotation marks. And you end your command with optional end-l statement and semicolon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.